Here on the Morning Blend, we like to get legal advice. Perhaps it helps you at home, and that's what we like doing most, especially when it comes to workers' compensation. And perhaps you are in a situation or know someone who has had an incident and you wonder if you could qualify. Well, the best thing to do, get someone like Katherine Stone on your side, who joins us now from Injury Florida Law Firm. Good morning, Katherine. How you doing?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well. I feel like we always give you these unique scenarios, like what if XYZ happens, like it's some kind of math problem, but you're always able to kind of guide us. And I know this one we're talking about undocumented workers. Perhaps you just think, oh, no, you wouldn't qualify. Are you going to tell me that that misconception may be wrong?
It could be wrong. And it's not really something that we don't get questions about. We get questions about this and phone calls about this on a weekly basis. Right. And again, it's very fact specific. Primarily, we look for, did the undocumented worker, did the employer know when they hired them? As crazy as that sounds, it's not really that crazy. There are employers that will hire undocumented workers to work. And the question becomes, the first question we have to ask ourselves is, did the employer know that the person was undocumented? Did they do the proper check through the federal government to identify the Social Security number upon hiring? And then the next question we have to look at is it a valid Social Security number? So if your undocumented worker falsified or obtained an illegal Social Security number and presented that to the employer and then gets hurt on the job, they're not going to get coverage through the workers' comp system, regardless if the employer knew about it or not. Okay, if they presented a false Social Security number, and then they're more than likely not going to get benefits. But in a lot of these cases, we get employers who knowingly hire individuals that are undocumented, and they end up getting hurt on the job. Now, where it becomes tricky is if that undocumented worker, as they oftentimes are paid in cash by the employer, then if that undocumented worker didn't get an ITIN number, which is a tax identification number that the government can issue an undocumented worker so that they can pay taxes. If taxes are never paid on that cash money, you're never going to get your biweekly checks through workers' comp under the rules. So you have to pay taxes on your wages pre-accident in order to then qualify for your lost wages through the worker comp system. You may still get medical care, but you may not get your biweekly checks. And that's the hardest thing to explain to an undocumented worker who is going to get workers' comp benefits for their injuries. Their medical benefits will be taken care of, but then to come in and say, well, you didn't pay taxes on this, so you're not going to get your biweekly lost wages. And here they are, can't work oftentimes. And so, it's a double-edged sword. They have to pay taxes on that money and report that money in order to get workers' comp to pay them lost wages.
I think it's interesting that you say you get this call that often. I think that that's really interesting. And I know, again, as we've worked together through the years here, you really take a time to look into that individual case. And I think that's one of the things that's so important about you, and just picking up the phone and talking to those people, right?
Yes. I mean, I would say the majority of I have one staff member that primarily all she does is answer new client calls and fields new client calls pretty much all day long. And, she's been trained on, okay, which ones do I need to talk to and get more information to determine whether or not we're going to be able to assist them, versus those that, maybe usually it's the ones that have waited too long to report their claims, or that maybe they already settled their claim and are trying to go back and reopen the case. We get a lot of those too, but we get a lot of undocumented people who've overstayed their visas. Oh, wow. And sometimes they're not even undocumented. Sometimes they had a work visa, they came here legally, and they've overstayed their visa for whatever reason, COVID, whatever. They get hurt on the job. I mean, there's a number of scenarios that we deal with every day around here.
I didn't even think of the COVID issues too with that. So like Katherine just said, the bottom line, give her and her team a call today, or you can go to their website to get more information, injuryfloridalawfirm.com. Katherine, thanks for your time today.